Welcome, friends. I'm so glad you're here. My desire is to empower you to stop outsourcing your health, to break free from chronic suffering, to find real answers, and to create a life of clarity, energy, and freedom. This is exactly what you will achieve by learning in our study groups. Let's walk through a tutorial to show you how to log into the Learning Center. You should have received an email when you purchased a curriculum that contained information about how to log in. Simply go to joetteslearningcenter.com. Enter the username and password you created when you purchased the curriculum. Once you are logged in, scroll down to see all the courses you have purchased. You can see I have purchased and therefore am enrolled in all the Gateway and Advanced Protocol courses. Gateway 1, second edition, is in blue, and Gateway 2 is in yellow. If you have purchased other protocol courses, you will see them listed below as I am scrolling through, and you would use the exact same information that I'm giving in this tutorial to log in to enter the protocol courses as well. As an example, let's click on the Gateway 1 second edition. Click on the Enter Course button. From there, you will see a menu detailing all the information for the course. Click on Welcome. You will see necessary information for this course, including a letter from Joette, as well as other related information and possibly updates or changes. When you have finished, please click on the next lesson or topic. In each lesson, you will find resources that are necessary to view, watch, or read before we start each group lesson. In only Gateway 1 and 2 courses, you will also see that you have access to the online Lesson 1 and 2 in case your curriculum guide has not arrived in the mail yet. Click on Next Topic or Lesson from there. You will see a list of videos that you can click on to view that pertain to the upcoming study group material that we are going to discuss in our time together. There might be an additional homework session as well that would be necessary to view before preparing for the study group. Click on the next topic, and then lastly, possibly you would see additional supplemental resources for you to view that pertain to the lesson, and then click on Next Lesson. It is very important that you click on the next topic or lesson to advance so that you can get the green check marks. At the end of Gateway 1 and 2 study groups, as a study group leader, I will submit the form for the certificate based on each participant's attendance. If you are participating in an advanced protocol course, each participant must submit his or her own certificate. I hope that helps. I'm elated you are joining me and look forward to studying this beautiful system of natural medicine with you.